Hey everyone, welcome back to Mobile Monday. Here's how your business can provide stellar customer service with simPRO Mobile. Reduce repeat visits. simPRO Mobile gives you access to all the information you need to do the job right the first time with the right equipment and the right staff. Access site, job information, and attachments, as well as customer information from anywhere with one click of a button. The call history is also logged in simPRO. Provide professional quotes quickly on the job. No more calling the office. Field staff can open and process quotes and easily respond to customer requests when drafting quotes from the field. Complete the entire workflow from the field, including taking payment. By receiving office notifications in the field, you have all the information you need at your fingertips. This means that you can speed up your job completion time and let your customers return to their busy day while you continue on to your next job. Efficient and reliable job completion equals happy customers. What more could you want? There you have it. Quick and easy fieldwork flows equals increased staff productivity, which equals happy customers. A win-win-win. That's all for today, and we'll see you next time. Hi everyone, welcome back to Mobile Monday. I just see the dog going by. I'm like, all right.